Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to switch any of the characters to any different style, different character in your Unreal Engine game. You can see when I right click, it just switch back to the mannequin character. When I left click, it switch to a female character or any other character. How to set this in your Unreal Engine game project. Start from now, I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. See. Alright, so as demo, I will just close this project and I will start a new Unreal Engine project. That should be in Epic Game Launcher. As demo, I will start a new project here, Unreal Engine 4.26. Just wait for a while until the new project is loaded. Alright, as demo, I will use the third person game. And the name I will just use tutorial switch avatar 01. Alright, switch avatar 01, create a project. Everything start from the new, then you should be able to understand it step by step from my demo. You no need to have any of the prerequisites. So the first demo, I'm going to show you how to create a new avatar first. Let's say if I want to take the avatar from Mizamo, or I just use another female avatar, or the mannequin also okay. Let's say click the content, mannequin, and it's under character, mesh. Now you can see a SK mannequin female here, and then your default is SK mannequin. So now I just want to create a new avatar here. I copy this skeleton, right click duplicate, and here I put UE for skeleton female. Alright, then after you rename it, the SK mannequin female, I right click skeletons, assign new skeletons to my new ones. It's a UE skeleton female that I just duplicate just now. Accept. Alright, now the next thing, what should I do is click the content, mannequins, under animation folder. It's the third person animation blueprint. I right click it, retarget. Before I do this, I still lack of one step. Back to the mannequin. It's under character, mesh, the original one, the skeletons. Double click this original skeleton, mannequin skeleton UE4. Double click, select rig, make it become the humanoid. Then save and close. At the same time, the female skeleton, you also double click it, select the rig, make it become humanoid, and save again. Now you have two humanoid. They can retarget each other. Even if you imported from the Mizamo character, it is also available to retarget in this way. Now I back to the mannequin, content, mannequin, animations. You can see a third person animation blueprint here. This is the animation blueprint. I right click here and retarget, duplicate. Now I duplicate to the female skeleton. Here, retarget. Now you can see for this one, I double click and check. This is a female avatar with independent animation blueprint. Next, what should I do? So under my avatar, I click the content. Again, go to the third person blueprints, go to the blueprints, the third person character. This is your main avatar in the game, this one. So now I'm going to duplicate and create a female avatar. Alright, this one, right click, duplicate, and I name it third person character female underscore female. Right, now I have this, I double click it, and then click the mesh, click the viewport. The skeletal mesh, we change it to SK mannequin female, and then the animation class, we change it to, wait, still have lag of one step. Click the contents. Just now after you retarget it, here the same name as third person animation blueprint, you need to right click and rename, add an underscore, and add a female, so that you will know that this blueprint belongs to the female avatar. Next, back to your third person character here. The animation class, we change it, we search third person. See, now, after I rename it, you can see it here, have the underscore female. If you don't rename it, it all look like the same, you don't know what is that animation blueprint belongs to. So click third person animation blueprint female underscore female. Now you can see, this avatar is ready, I click compile. Now I can close this already, click contents, the third person blueprints, under the blueprint, now you can see, I have a third person character, this is a male, the original one, and I also have a third person character which is female. Okay, how the female look like? Yes, you can see the body shape, this is a female and this is a male. Now, you can double click. Okay, now I delete all the unnecessary avatar. Now, next, your third person character by default, it is the third person character, the blueprint, this one. So I double click it and then click the event graph. Then I'm going to create a blueprint here to assign on my mouse button or any other button. For example, I can assign on E and R. So here right click, input, I use E, input keyboard E. So click here. Once you press E, it should set a skeletal mesh. Set skeletal mesh. Enter. Now set as what? Set as SK mannequins by default. And then what is the animation blueprint? Here you drag it out. Set animations instance class. So set as third person animation blueprint. So once you press E, it will switch to your default avatar. And then I put another button here, the keyboard button. Right click, input keyboard R. I choose another button that is R. Once you press R, then actually I can copy and paste this three. Control C to copy here and Control V to paste here. The new mesh, if you press R, it should change to female. When you choose from here that is SK mannequin female as the skeletal mesh, and then the animation instant class, we need to switch to select to third person animation blueprint underscore the female. Alright, just now this one is male and this one is female. You can change once you press different buttons. It is either E or R. Now I click compile and I try to have a test. I play my game. If I press R, you see it changed to female already. When I press E, it changed back to the male. So I can switch it anytime by pressing E and R to toggle different models of the avatar. And that is really awesome for your game developing skills. Sometimes you need to use this technique in order to switch your avatar. And this is just a very simple blueprint. You can use it anytime in your game to create different situations. Maybe like a Superman, at the beginning you just dress the formal coat in the office and suddenly emergency happens. Boom, you switch to Superman modes and change everything with the Superman cloth. And that's all. Alright, that's all for today about how to make you switch avatar in your game anytime. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also at the same time turn on the mini bell to activate all the notifications so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy and happy animation and game developing.